Hello and welcome. This is the Casio AE-1200 and I'm going to show you how to set and use your alarm mode on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press the mode button once, twice, and we are in the alarm mode. This watch has 5 alarms and hourly time signal. To shuffle through alarms, which are shown over here, so this is the alarm number 1, you press the lower right button, and as you can see, I'm shuffling through the 5 alarms and hourly time signal. To turn each of those alarms on or off, once on your alarm number, so let's say this is the alarm number 1, you can press the upper left button and it will switch the alarm on or off. Now let me explain this over here. 1 means that this is the one-time alarm. When I press the upper left button, this is the daily alarm. And when I press it again, it's turned off. So you can do that through all of those 5 alarms. And once you get to your hourly time signal, again press the adjust button, and now your hourly time signal is turned on, and it is also indicated over here. Let me turn that off again by pressing the upper left button. Whilst in the alarm mode, I'm going to shuffle to, let's say, alarm number 1. To set the value of my alarm, once there, I'm going to press and hold the upper left button, and there was the beep. Now when the hour value is flashing, I'm using the upper right or lower right button to set my alarm time. So remember that we are currently setting our hour value. Then once we have set our hour value, we press the mode button and it shuffles over here to our minutes value. Again, procedure is the same, upper or lower right button to set your minutes value. Once we have set our minutes, I'm going to press the mode button, and as you can see, right now I'm changing my type of the alarm. By pressing the lower right button, I'm shuffling between one-time alarm, when the 1 is indicated over here, and daily alarm. Now again, procedure is the same for all of the 5 alarms when it comes to setting the alarm. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, and now we are in the alarm mode with alarm number 1 turned on at 12 o'clock. It is the one-time alarm and it is also set over here. We are again in the alarm time mode, so we haven't got back to our standard timekeeping mode. As you can see, when I press the lower right button, again I'm shuffling through my 5 alarms, hourly time signal, but the difference is that this time my alarm number 1 is turned on at the 12 o'clock. To turn it off, again, whilst on the alarm number 1, I press the adjust button and I shuffle between one-time alarm, daily alarm, and turning my alarm off. Now, to get back to the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button, and we are in the I press the mode button number of times until I get it to the standard timekeeping mode. And that would be the basics of the alarm mode. To recap the review or tutorial, this watch has 5 alarms. Each of those alarms can be one-time alarm and daily alarm. Also, there's an hourly time signal, so pretty cool feature on this Casio AE-1200. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.